UK has had a profound influence on me. And I still remember walking on the street of London, carrying my backpack, heavy with books, those legal books. I was a student at the LSE. I could not imagine having the opportunity to speak at the House of Lords in front of members of the Parliament.
当年的小英已经变身总统级，发言内容紧扣台湾利益。
Affirming the United Nations General Assembly Resolution 2758 did not mention Taiwan. Making this clear is an important part of deterring adventurism in the Taiwan Strait.
台英国会小组满满欢迎30多位议员出席与蔡英文的难得参叙。
Can we say it in Taiwanese? Cheers.
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 干杯，干杯。